DSE 2019, Paper 2, Question 37. The question is about the intersection of the straight line and the circle. The question gives another information, which is the midpoint. We highlight two keywords: intercept, midpoint. That means the question is about perpendicular bisector. Bisector means midpoint. Perpendicular means slope. Slope 1 times slope 2 equal to -1. The first step to find the center. The second step, midpoint. The first step, we need to find the slopes. And the last step is to use the perpendicular formula that says slope 1 times slope 2 equal to -1. Now, we are doing the first step, center. The equation of the circle is 5x squared plus 5y squared plus kx plus 4y minus 20 equal to 0. The front of x squared and y squared, we need to take out 5. X squared plus y squared. And then k over 5x plus 4 over 5y minus 4 equal to 0 times 5. Change to the right hand side and then change to divided by 5. So the final equation is x squared plus y squared plus k over 5x plus 4 over 5y minus 4 equal to 0. We observe three numbers: positive k over 5, positive 4 over 5, minus 4. We take out the three numbers with reversing the signs: minus k over 5, minus 4 over 5, positive 4. The center equal to minus k, because the number should be divided by 2, so over 10. Minus 4 over 10. That says the center is minus k over 10 and minus 0.4. We've gotten the center minus k over 10 minus 0.4. Now, we observe on the midpoint. In question, the x-coordinate of the midpoint is 2. That is, we should find the y-coordinate of the midpoint. How to find the y-coordinate? Because PQ and the midpoint of PQ lies on the same line, and the equation of the line is This one, 3x minus y minus 2 equal to 0. That is, the main point lies on the line 3x minus y minus 2 equal to 0. So we can substitute x coordinate 2 into x. So we can find the value of y coordinate through substitution of x coordinate. Step 2. Now we substitute 2 into x. 3 times 2 minus y minus 2 equal to 0. 6 minus 2 equal to y. Y equal to 4. This is the midpoint. The coordinates of the midpoint equal to 2, 4. We gotten 2 information. The center minus k over 10 minus 0.4. The midpoint 2, 4. Now we focus on the slopes. The 2 slopes we should find out are the slope of the straight line and the slope of center and the midpoint. I draw this graph to let you understand. This is the line and the center here. Center, and then midpoint perpendicular to each other. So the slope of the straight line we should find out. We have the equation of straight line. 3x minus y minus 2 equal to 0. Isolate y. Y equal to 3x minus 2. And the number in front of x is the slope. So 3 is the slope of the straight line. This is slope equal to 3. That means the first slope we can get is 3. The second slope is from the center to the midpoint. Center minus k over 10 minus 0.4. Midpoint 2, 4. We have 2 coordinates. So we can use the slope formula. y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2. Slope of center and midpoint. Minus 0.4 minus 4 over minus k over 10 minus 2. Minus 0.4 minus 4, that is minus 4.4 over minus k minus k over 10 plus 2 bracket. I take out minus, okay? We can do minus to become positive, okay? This is 4.4 over k over 10 plus 2. We can get the second slope is 4.4 over k over 10 plus 2. Now we have 2 slopes. 4.4 over k over 10. Now we can find the value of k. because we gotten the full information for the formula of perpendicular. Okay, 3 times 4.4 over k over 10 plus 2 equal to minus 1. The first step I do is 3 times 4.4. This is 13.2 equal to, I move the denominator to the right hand side, minus k over 10 minus 2. Minus 2 move to left hand side, this is add 2. 15.2 equal to minus 10 over 10. And then I move minus 10 to the left hand side and times 15.2. This is minus 152 equal to k. This is k equal to minus 152. Now we find the value of k. Minus 152 is